Hey guys, just want to talk about my first Nerf mod. Well, not it's sawed-off shotgun. Sawed-off shotgun. Do not sue. It is a sawed-off shotgun, and I still have the barrel to prove it. I cut it off right above the third notch on the shotgun. If you can see the notches. Third notch. Hard to see, but third notch. 1, 2, 3 is in this little part. So, but what kind of saw? Hacksaw? Not hacksaw. Hacksawed part of the shotgun off. I did fire it before this video. It does work. I will show you guys right now. Sorry about the blur, but yeah. Pull it down. It's gonna be a little bit hard to pull it down. It's kind of hard to do that, but I will be right back before this first shooting. There's the barrel. I gotta go get my other 2 yards. So I'll be right back. Two more shells. So, now with this fully loaded sawed-off shotgun, we're gonna fire it down this hallway. Let's see how well it works. I think it's because of that question. Boom, that's proof. Darts are there. Now this is a, even though I technically just cut off the barrel, no internal mods or anything, it's basically a mod because I upgraded the muzzle velocity from the shotgun. Here it is full length, what you would get from the store. It may be a little shaky because I'm adding on the barrel. Here's what it looks like from full store. Cut it off to about that point. I sanded it up front for all the excess plastic. The only thing is, try not to do this. Try not to like pull on it because it's it kind of opens. Yeah, I can shoot 2 at a time, but you can't be like shooting twice. But overall, the shotgun's pretty good. I'll have to do some velocity tests if I can. But I have to say, really good shotgun. Walking Dead, sawed-off shotgun, right here in my hands. It used to be one of the worst guns in the Walking Dead lineup. Now it's one of the best. Now it may kind of be the best for the velocity, maybe, I'm not sure. Oh yeah, okay. But just to like think, if you do not want that front sight cut off, do not do that. Do not cut this. There's only one sight on this gun, and then the 2 barrels. What you want to do to kind of review, pull back on this, pull it back. It's kind of hard to pull back now because I used to be able to like put my arm, rest it on the longer part, and bend it down like this. Or I can just do it like this. Now it's a little harder to do that. So I just say it's pretty good. Small, compact, can run around with it. Easier than I usually have, because I could run with it. Because it was a little bit heavier. Not really. But just. Say one of the most fine guns right now. Or guns that I own right now. Because it is my first modded gun. I'll have to look back on this one once it breaks. Be like, first modded gun, sawed-off shotgun. I could blast. I could blast some people in HVC. If I was even qualified to do that. Yeah, okay, so here's the fire. A dry fire. Trigger presses. Both trigger presses. Both trigger presses was ready to do this video. So guys, thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time. And good. And good. Bye.